self test points, LDO. Okay, LDO is when this VCD supply is coming on the board and VDD supply is coming on the board. When you check on a schematic IC present the LDO pin, IC have a LDO pin like this. This is the LDO pin. Okay, then this is the output pin. When this two signal is coming in the IC, that time this LDO is generating 5 volt output. Okay, and this 5 volt return back and input the reference leg. Okay, if you not get 5 volt on this LDO leg, now your IC is not working. ठीक है, then
VDD और VCC पाने के बाद LDO आउट करेगा.
हाँ, ठीक है. Now before removing the IC, you should check this also. This resistor, if this resistor is present